Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa Explains It All. Welcome to video number 2 in my organizational series. Today we are in the kitchen spicing things up. So I am tackling my spice cabinet today. So come along the ride with me as I turn my average spice cabinet into a beautiful, organized, and uniformly labeled spice drawer. I'll be right back. So I love watching these TikToks and reels about people who are upgrading different areas of their home and making it look even more beautiful. So let's take a look at what I purchased and how I went about organizing my spices. So this is what my spices looked like before, all mixed together in a cabinet, not really much organization to them. I did have them sitting on space-saving racks, but they just didn't really look as nice as I wanted them to be. And so I picked up this spice kit from Amazon for $33. It comes with a bunch of square jars and a ton of label sheets for every spice that you could imagine. Some spices I hadn't even heard of. As you can see, there's a ton of pages as I'm flipping through here, and there's even some blanks if you wanted to fill in your own, if you have spice blends. And the labels were also waterproof, which I appreciated. And this is what the jars look like in the kit, and they also came with a nice funnel, which was really helpful for transferring the spices. And the jars were a good quality, sturdy glass with some stainless steel lids that also have a shaker lid in them so that you can shake the spices out. And I also purchased this expandable acrylic drawer organizer from Amazon for $18 that holds 3 tiers of spice jars. And so I started by clearing out an old drawer that was hardly used, and I really relocated those items to another spot and placed my organizer in, expanded it out, and then it was just a matter of transferring all of my old spices to the new jars. Using the funnel, of course, and I just kind of tapped the jars down for some of the things that were a little bit difficult to get in the jars. Tapping them seemed to work the best. And then it was a matter of finding the right label and placing them on. And it looks so much better. I love the clean, minimalistic look. And I also discovered a hack for those that actually purchased the Walmart brand Great Value organic spices. They come in jars that are so similar to the kit that you can barely see the difference. And so I just kind of peeled off the label and placed the new one on. And here's what they look like side by side with one in the kit with a Walmart one, and they look really almost the same. And so here's what they're looking like so far. And this is the final reveal. And I alphabetized them because it's who I am as a person, but I am so happy just to look at my spice drawer and see this beautiful, uniform, clean, organized, like lined up all glass jars. I just can't state enough how much I love my spice drawer now. So that is everything. As you can see, I love it. I can't wait to cook now because I just go right into my drawer and everything looks beautiful and it's all alphabetized, and it just makes my soul so happy. So let me know if you have questions in the comments below. Otherwise, feel free to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you, and I'll see you next time for the next organization video.